Tired of drawing crooked lines in OneNote? Learn how to activate, move, and rotate the ruler for perfect straight lines every time. I know that frustration. You're sketching out an idea or taking notes and your hand just won't cooperate. But here's the good news. OneNote has a hidden digital ruler that fixes all of that. And by the end of this quick tutorial, you'll go from messy, hand-drawn lines to perfectly straight, precise angles in just a few seconds. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use the ruler in 3 simple steps. We'll activate it, move it around, and then rotate it to get those perfect angles. It's easier than you think, so let's jump right in. So first step, activating the ruler. Now, you might be wondering why you'd even need a digital ruler in the first place. Think about it. When you're drawing diagrams, taking visual notes, or even just underlining a heading, a straight line makes everything look cleaner and more professional. And OneNote gives you this tool for free. So go up to the top of your screen and look for the Draw tab on the ribbon. That's the menu bar that has things like the Insert and View tabs. Click on that Draw tab and look for the ruler icon. It looks like a small metal ruler. You can't miss it. Give it a click and instantly a digital ruler will appear right on your canvas. Now, one thing to keep in mind, if you don't see the Draw tab at all, you might be in a mode that hides the ribbon, so just double-click on any tab to expand the full ribbon and it'll show up. And here's the thing. This ruler works just like a real one, but way more flexible. We'll get to that in a second. Now that it's on screen, let's move it where you need it. This part is dead simple. Just click and hold anywhere on the body of the ruler, not on the edges but the middle part, and drag it wherever you want on your page. Need a straight line across the top of your notes? Drag it up there. Want to draw a perfectly horizontal box? Pull it down to where you're working. This is really handy because you're not locked into one spot. You can keep repositioning it as you work. And here's a practical tip. If you're trying to draw a straight line while the ruler is in place, just use your pen or stylus to draw along the edge. It'll snap to that perfect line. No more wobbly handwriting. Next, I'll show you how to rotate it using your mouse scroll wheel. And this is where the magic really happens. So let's say you need a diagonal line or you're drawing a triangle and you want an exact 45-degree angle. Here's what you do. Hover your cursor directly over the ruler itself. Make sure it's actually sitting on top of the ruler, not off to the side. Then simply spin your mouse scroll wheel either forward or backward and watch. The ruler rotates in nice, smooth increments. On a Windows PC, each notch of the scroll wheel typically rotates the ruler by a few degrees, so you have a lot of control. You can dial in exactly the angle you need. Now, for those of you using a laptop with a touchpad, you might need to use a 2-finger scroll gesture instead. It works the same way. Just hover over the ruler and do that pinch or swipe motion. And here's a pro move from AI Mastery. If you need a very specific angle, like 30 degrees or 60 degrees, just scroll slowly and you'll feel the ruler click into those common positions. It snaps to them. That way, you don't have to guess. So to wrap it all up, activating, moving, and rotating the ruler is one of those tiny things that makes a huge difference in your OneNote workflow. From crooked lines to perfect precision in seconds. Give it a try on your next set of notes. You'll be surprised how much cleaner everything looks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.